Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can turn on your dark mode on Instagram, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn on your dark mode on Instagram, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, you will need to go to your Instagram settings. So to do that, I want you to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, next, I want you to tap this 3 lines at the top right in order to open your Instagram settings. And after that, you will now be on your settings. So to turn on your Instagram dark mode on settings, it's so simple, you just need to search for the dark mode option right here. And after searching, you will now be able to see the dark mode option, just go and tap it. And then you just need to turn it on to completely enable your dark mode on Instagram. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Instagram dark mode will now be enabled. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.